Hi, my name's Jake. I'm the Director of Marketing at Tiny Life Supply. Axel and I grew up together in Smithers, and we've always seemed to be working together. We tree planted together for years and then on the railway as well. We share a lot of the same passions for the environment and for the future, and every time we hang out, it seems to turn into a brainstorming session of ideas, inventions, and ways we could collaborate to make an impact. Our generation is facing some serious challenges, but we're optimistic. Innovation is moving so quickly, we're able to communicate, inspire, collaborate like never before. Like some person in the middle of nowhere can decide they want to build a tree fort out of pallet wood. 10 years ago, they'd be considered crazy, but today they're blowing up Instagram, and seeds from their project are picked up by other builders, architects, designers, and the concept grows. That's what's so cool about the Tiny Life movement. People are dreaming up wild solutions to whatever they're passionate about. Minimalism, financial freedom, the environment. And then they're picking up a hammer and literally creating the change that they want to see in the world. And yeah, some of them might be a little crazy, but that's how change starts.